This is my room when I grow up. I share it with my brother when he was older. So we have this really nice carpet, which was our border, like my side, his side.
I grew up in Beijing. So where our house was in a very quiet place with a little river. And there was a lot of trees. But I also remember spending a lot of time in the city where there's a lot of buildings and it's very busy.
Male side of my family, they were carpenters. So we had a workshop and a sawmill in the backyard. So it was always full of wood. I was always playing with my brother and my other friends, like building some, small houses, slides, a lot of things with wood.
Try to remind the moment when you was coming to the new place, when you started living, or you maybe moved from your parents' house or to the different place. Think about the things, the sentences you heard from the new people you met in this time, and think about your own thoughts that you have about this time.
My first thought when I moved here was 1 year and I'm going home, Now I'm 4 years here.
My landlords were very, very strange. They never spoke to me. Only say hi, or sometimes they didn't say hi when they ran away, but they spoke to my husband, so it was very strange. They afraid of me or something like that. I'm not sure, but I made the sentence with drops because
probably I forgot how to talk to people, because when you're in a new language, it's like you don't know what to say.
Yeah.
And the opposite of it, it's like, wow, I talked to another human being for 10 minutes. It's like, yeah, good day.
Sometimes I reply to people that my right side is Norwegian and my left side is Chinese. And yeah, a lot of people ask me, what language do you dream in? My name is Lynn. I am half Norwegian, half Chinese. Like, I usually feel like I draw very complicated. So for this, it's been really fun to simplify a lot of my drawings. And it's opening up my imagination a lot more. There's a lot of things I didn't know I could draw. So I have to kind of try and simplify the lines to try and figure out how to draw it. And that's been a lot of fun.
This is my room. As you saw before, this is my room. It's me on the carpet. And when I was child, I broke my back. Doctor told me that I have to not sit in front on the table, so I have to lay down on the floor or on the bed.
One of the fights with the girls, neighbor girls, they were living on the other side of the fence, and in my family it was only boys, and in this family it was only girls. And when we were kids, we were always fighting, like, saying bad words to each other, throwing stones, like pouring water, and big war between us.
Panda was very sad about 1.5 years ago, crying and depressed, to be honest, after coming back to Norway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the next picture is more optimistic.
Last year, I took a part in hip hop project. This year, I'm spending a lot of time at home, and I also cook a lot.
The first one, it was a crazy busy year with lots of projects and working and traveling. but it was so much that I couldn't choose one thing. And now it's very still, and I live a little bit outside of the city, and I'm spending a lot of time by the sea.